Hey friends from a castle in Jamaica. I have another room tour. Are you ready to go on it? Let's do it. So here we are on the second floor of this castle, and even where I'm standing is a nice little sitting area. There's another room on this side, but the room that we will be looking at is on this side. So we're gonna go over there, but first let me show you what I am looking at, which is this beautiful view of the ocean and the solar panels powering us. And so this is where we're heading. So let's go ahead and go into the room tour. So we open it up. I already opened the door for y'all. Here is the room, friends. And as you can see, the bed is a beautiful king-size bed with a television overlooking the water. I already opened the door because I had to manhandle it a little bit. And so when you step out, let's say from the bed straight to the water, you have this beautiful sitting area, patio, balcony, deck, views, vibes, all the things. Look how huge this is. I am like in love with this place. Like just ocean, 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 ocean. And then here's more of our castle. And so that's our pool down there. You see it? Our pool, our cliffs that take us straight into the ocean. Now, mind you, we're on a rooftop, friends. And so let me show you the other part of the room. So here we're coming back in to the bed. Now, front door, and on this side, and both sides actually, but we'll just go this side. You go towards the closet. So this door takes you to the closet and the bathroom. So here's like a nice little closet area where you can hang your clothes, iron, a bookshelf. I don't even iron anymore. I feel like I steam. And then you have your bathroom. Wow. Look at this. So you have your sink, your mirror, you have a standing tub outdoors overlooking the water. I can't make this up, friends. We'll go out there in a second. Let me show you the rest, the shower area and the toilets area, which is back here. And then it's your favorite person in the world. It's me with this beautiful, oh, you can't even see it. Like it's a full-length mirror. Isn't that crazy? Looking at the bathtub. Now, here's the cool thing about the tub is that it's still outside, and guess what? It connects to the rest of your patio. What? Oh my gosh, look at that. So again, you know, we can go into the room, which is in here, or you can go straight towards this outdoor tub, bathroom type area. Isn't that gorgeous? Like, this is me. Back. So I open these doors, usually they're closed, but oh my gosh. Now, guess what, friends? We're not over yet. So that's the room in itself, but there is another section. It's not in the room. We can go out of the room, but it's on top of the room. So let's head there. And you go up these stairs. So let's walk up the stairs. And you walk up a little bit more stairs. This is like one of the highest points of the castle. And you have this beautiful seating area top here. It's gonna get a little loud because of the wind. Thank you for your patience, but look at this, another view, right? So remember, that's where we were, down here, like right there. So more views of this room up top. It's not connected to the room. There are some places where it's connected, but this is on top of the room. So in my mind, it gives the same vibes. Let's go downstairs. And yeah, so The other part is that you can walk from the outside to the balcony area here as well. Wow, what an amazing room tour. So just to remind you, friends, this is, and let me set you up here so we can chat. This is Suite 3, and let me see, make sure, okay. Stay down, there we go. So this is Suite 3, and amazing, if you can't tell. All right, so make sure to like this video, comment, tell me what you would like to see, subscribe so that you have more. But this is a suite. When we think about restorative practices and restoration, because I'm here for a retreat, this is the kind of energy and vibe that I want, especially when it comes to relaxing your mind and your body, being able to hear the ocean waves constantly, and being able to just enjoy the sun, have views. It's just chef's kiss. So much wind here. But that was Suite 3. All right, so I will be back for another room tour. All right, see you later.